In Malaysia, first aid awareness is still very low. A 2018 study by Ames University found that only 21.1% of people answer choking-related questions correctly. Choking remains a serious problem. While some people know the basic steps, most have never practiced them, and in real emergencies, hesitations can cost life. To address this issue, I designed an interactive hand-on learning tool that teach the Heimlich maneuver in a practical and engaging way. It combines a physical puppet with motion graphic, guiding users step by step through the correct rescue technique. First, users choose a character, infant, child, adult, pregnant woman, or self-rescue. By pressing a button on the pin page, the system then plays a clear tutorial video showing the Heimlich maneuver for the specific case. Once ready, the users can press a button to begin a Thai rescue challenge. Here, they physically practice the maneuver on the puppet, while the system tracks their actions and gives feedback. By combining visual instructions with hand-on practice, these tools help people build not only knowledge, but also the confidence to act quickly in real emergencies. It makes first aid training more engaging, memorable, and ultimately life-saving.